in this class we have to learn about Fourier series in the interval minus pi comma pi. Minus pi comma pi. So when we are doing this method, so we have know about one property. The property is integral over. The property is the. See here, I'm writing the property. So property integration of minus a to a f of x into dx is equal to 2 into integration of 0 to a f of x into dx if the function is even function. So if 0, the function what we are having here, odd, the function is odd. So how we are checking the even function and odd function? Y is equal to f of x be a function. Y is equal to f of x be a function if x can be replaced by minus x. X can be replaced by minus x if you are getting the function value plus or minus. Function cannot be changed. If plus f of x minus f of x, we have to get any one. So in that time, this one is the even function. If you are getting the same function, if you are having the positive symbol, in that time, but we are same symbol. You are having a plus symbol. If you are taking plus, in that time we are getting the same symbol. That function is called even function. The function is called even function. If your symbol can be changed, if you are getting the negative, in that time we are saying that one is odd function. For example, y is equal to sin x. Y is equal to sin x. If you are substituting x, x can be replaced by minus x. That is sin of minus x. That means sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. That is equal to minus sin theta, sin x. So this is we are assuming as f of x now. That means y is equal to minus f of x. So the given question or given function sin x could be a odd function. Odd function. So even it. So we will take another one, even function. So f of x is equal, we are assuming as a x square. F of x is equal to x square. X can be replaced by minus x, that is minus x whole square. Minus x whole square. That means x square, again minus x into minus x, that can be minus and minus plus. We are getting plus f of x, that is f of, we are getting the same function along with without changing the symbol. So plus f of x, we are plus x square having here. Again we are getting plus x square, that is f of x. This function is called even. This function is called even function. So after knowing the even and odd function, how we have to do the problem in this interval minus pi comma pi. So for f of minus pi comma pi. So how we are doing the problem? So when we are having the interval minus pi to pi, we have to check given function is even function or odd function. If the function is even, function is even. So in that term we have to find a naught and an value. We have to find a naught and an value. Directly we are writing here bn is equal to 0. Directly we are writing here bn is equal to 0. We don't need to find the bn value. So why we are not finding the bn value? For example, if you are taking f of x into sin nx, sin nx, sin nx is odd function, that is minus. If f of x is even, plus into minus, we are getting the minus. That function is minus. If you are getting the minus value, if you are getting the minus, that means that value is 0. Sir, modulus when we are having the modulus, in that time we will get the positive only. We will get the positive only. So we have to find an, a naught and an. Direct when we are proving the given function is even or odd. If you are getting the even function, in that time directly we have to write find the bn value. For example, in the examination, you will ask short question like this: find bn value, find a naught value. F of x is equal to 0, then find a naught value in the interval minus pi comma pi. Find the a naught value in the interval minus pi comma pi. So given function is So we are proving here, no need to find the answer. Directly we are substituting the x can be replaced by minus x, that is minus f of x. The function symbol can be changing here. That means odd function. That means odd function. If the function is odd, then a naught value is 0. A naught value is 0. If the function is even, in that time bn value is 0. So if the function is odd function, in that time a naught and an values are 0. An values are 0. See, for example, if you are doing the minus pi to pi x cos nx, x cos nx into dx. Now without using the property, directly we are doing the problem here. So u is equal to x, dv is equal to cos nx. dv is equal to cos nx. U dash is equal to 1. U dash is equal to 1 and v equal to cos integration is sin nx by n, and v1 is equal to minus cos nx by n square. So now we are applying the Bernoulli's rule formula, that is integral over uv u dvr u dvr uvd is equal to uv minus u dash v1. Now we are substituting the all values. What is our an formula? 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x into dx. Now also directly having a substituting. So 1 by pi, we are finding the an value. An is equal to 1 by pi. So x into cos nx, that implies into dx here 1 by pi of 1 by pi of here u value is x, v value is sin nx by n, minus into minus plus 1 cos nx by n square, cos nx by n square, pi minus pi. So 1 by pi of, so sin here our condition, what is our condition? Sin n pi or sin 2n pi, sin 0 or 0. 2n pi sin 0 value is 0. So here sin function we are observing here, we are having the limits pi and minus pi. So in that time sin n pi only, sin n pi. So minus sin n pi, sin n pi values are 0. That's why I am directly writing here 0 plus second half. So cos n pi by pi n square minus cos of n minus pi by n square. That is equal to 1 by pi of cos n pi value is cos 180 value. Cos 180 value minus 1 by n square minus of minus 1 by n square. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta only. That's why. So here 1 by pi of minus 1 by n square plus 1 by n square get cancelled. So is equal to 0. So when we are having the odd function, f of x is a odd function, in that time if you are finding the answer, just wait a second, finding the answer, if you are finding the answer, we'll get the 0. We'll get the 0. So for that we are using the property. What is our property? If the function is even, we have to find the a naught and an value. Function is even. So directly we are writing here bn equal to 0. If the function is even, we are writing bn is equal to 0. We have to find the a naught and an value. If the function is odd, we have to write a naught and an or 0 is equal to 0. Just we have to find the bn value. Just we have to find the bn value. So is it okay? Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we will do the one problem in the interval. See here, man. The given question is find the Fourier series in the interval 0, minus pi comma pi when f of x is equal to x plus x square. X plus x square. First Otherwise, f of x is equal to x square. These questions are important. And another question is f of x is equal to mod x. F of x is equal to mod cos x. F of x is equal to mod sin x. Mod sin x. Mod always positive. Mod always even function. These three questions are even functions. We have to find a naught, a n, b n. First, we are doing the second question. If in the interval, which interval? Minus pi comma pi. So now we are doing this problem. Then after we are do the first one. So what is our question? What it was given? We have to find the Fourier series. The Fourier series f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus b n sin nx. So this is our series. The given function is f of x is equal to x square in the interval minus pi comma pi. In the interval minus pi comma pi. So in this interval we have to find. So what is our property? Our property is integral over minus a to a f of x into dx. So when we are having same symbols are changed, limits are same. Limits same unnai. So symbols are different having here. Symbols are different having here. A okay. Symbols are different. In that time we are applying the property. So when we have to apply the property, first of all we are checking given function is even function or odd function. So here the given function is, first of all, x can be replaced by minus x, that is minus x whole square, that is equal to x square. That is again we are reading the same function. If you are reading same function, that function is called even function. Even function. That function is called even function. When we are having the even functions, we are applying the property this one. Integral over 0 to minus a to a f of x into dx is equal to 2 into integral over 0 to a f of x into dx. So here we have to apply this one. So that means if the function is even, then bn value is equal to 0. So we got the bn value is equal to 0. Now we have to find the an value, a naught and an value. So a naught is equal to, here for 1 by pi into minus pi to pi f of x into dx. So minus a to a. The given function is even now. So property can be changed as like this. Using this property, I'm converting this one as a 2 by pi of integral over 0 to pi f of x into dx. F of x into dx. Here, what is our f of x? X square. 2 by pi of integral over 0 to pi x square into dx. X square into dx. So now we are using the integration formula. Integration of x to the power of n into dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. N plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is definite integrals. In that time, no need to write the constant value. If you are having a and b, in that time, no need to write the constant value here. That is 2 by pi of 2 by pi of x to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Upper limit is pi, lower limit is 0. Upper limit is pi, lower limit is 0. That implies 2 by pi of x cube by 3 pi 0. Pi 0. Next, now we are substituting the upper limit and lower limit. First of all, we are substituting the upper. I'm 3 writing outside. That is 2 by 3 pi of x cube means pi cube minus 0 cube. So that is 2 by 3 pi of pi cube. That implies here pi get cancelled. Remaining 2 pi's having here. That is 2 pi square by 3. 2 pi square by 3. This is our a naught value. A naught is equal to 2 pi square by 3. 2 pi square by 3. Now we have to find the an value. That is an is equal to 1 by pi integration of minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx into dx. Cos nx into dx. That is equal to here. So we are using the f of x is even function now. So we are applying same property, that is 2 by pi of integration 0 to pi f of x is equal to x square cos nx into dx. Cos nx into dx. So here I am the product of two different functions. Product of two different functions. In that time we are using the Liatar-Eilert L-I-A-T-E. So the first function we are getting here algebraic function. Second function we are getting the trigonometric functions. Using this property we are doing the integration by parts. Sorry, Bernoulli's rule. We are applying the Bernoulli's rule here. Bernoulli's rule is integration of u dv is equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 and so on. So first function, which function we have to take the first function, which one take the second function, depending on this word, depending on this letter LIAT. In this, which letter is coming first? A is coming first. Algebraic function. X square is the algebraic function. T is a trigonometric function. In this product of two different functions, we are first function is algebraic function. So this one is the u is the first function, dv is the second function. So we are assuming as u is equal to x square and dv is equal to cos nx into nx into dx. So when we are doing the integration of this part, first u in the question we are having the u, okay. Then we have to find the v. V means we are doing the integration, that is equal to cos integration is sin nx by n. Next u dash. U dash means we are doing the derivation of u, that is equal to 2x. That is u double dash is equal to 2. Up to the variable can be vanished. Up to variable vanish ayinta variki we have to do the differentiation. Variable can be vanishing here. If you are doing the 2 times differentiation, in that variable can be vanished. When we are doing the 2 times differentiation, we have to do the 3 times integration. First one time is over, second time v1 is equal to sin integration is minus cos nx by n square. Another time v2 is equal to minus sin nx by n cube. Which integration of sin ax is equal to minus 1 by a cos ax. Here we have the dx. So integration of cos ax into dx is equal to 1 by a sin ax into ax. So we are applying that. After getting these values, we are substituting in this Bernoulli's rule formula. So here an is equal to 2 by pi half. 2 by pi half. So u is equal to what we are having here, x square, and v is equal to sin nx by n square. Sorry, n minus v is equal to u dash is equal to 2x and v1 is equal to minus cos nx by n square plus 2 into minus sin nx by n cube by 0. So we are having the conditions. Conditions are rules. Sin n pi sin 0 is equal to 0. Sin n pi or sin 0 is equal to 0. So we are observing here sin function here also having the sin function. That means the two functions are vanishing here when we are substituting the upper limit and lower limit. So that is I am writing here an is equal to 2 by pi of only I am taking here cos function. So minus into minus plus 2x cos nx by n square. Nx by n square pi 0. Now we are substituting upper limit and lower limit. That is equal to 2 by pi half 2 pi cos n pi n square I am writing outside minus 0 into cos 0. That is equal to 2 to the 4. 4 n square pi half cos n pi value. Cos n pi value minus 1 to the power of n. Cos n pi is equal to minus 1 to the power of n. So here cos minus 1 to the power of n. Cos n pi value. So that is equal to, that implies an is equal to, so we are having the pi now, pi. pi it cancel. Then an is equal to 4 by n square of minus 1 to the power of. Now we have got the a naught an value. Then we are writing the Fourier series. Bn value is 0. That is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. So we are substituting all values. A naught value is, what is our A naught value? Two pi square by 3. A naught 2 pi square by 3 by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an value is 4 by n square of minus 1 to the power of n cos nx plus bn value is 0 into sin nx. So that is 2 to get cancelled here. Pi square by 3 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity 4 by n square cos nx. Cos nx. Cos nx. So what is your f of x? F of x is equal to x square. F of x is equal to x square. So if you are substituting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 to infinity now, that pi square by 3 plus we are removing the 4r 1 by 1 square cos x plus 1 by 2 square cos 2x plus 1 by 3 square cos 3x plus and so on. This is our series. When he was given the conditions, when you have to prove the, when we are proving the, when we are removing these values, cos trigonometric functions varies hyperbole, and we have to substitute the some angle. Angle x is equal to 0, x is equal to pi, x is equal to pi by 2. In that time, we will get the some different values, different series. We will get the series. So if you are taking x is equal to 0, if you are taking the x is equal to 0, in that time we will get the series 0 square is equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 of 1 by 1 square cos 0 plus 1 by 2 square cos 0 plus 1 by 3 square cos 0 plus and so on. That means cos 0 value is 1, that is equal to 0 is equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 of, sorry, I had forgot to write minus 1 na? So here minus 1 to the power of n. So that means here minus, this one is plus, here minus, alternate symbols. So here minus 1 to the power of 1 means minus 1, minus 1 to the power of 2 means plus 1, minus 1 to the power of 3 means minus 1. So that is here minus, here plus, here minus, again plus. That means, so I am taking the minus outside, that of 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 5 square and so on. Then the 4, so we are totally sending this on this side, that is 4 of 1 by 1 square plus minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square is equal to and so on is equal to pi square by 3. The series 1 by 1 square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square is equal to pi square by 3 into 4, that is equal to pi square by 2. In the examination, he will give the question and prove that 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square minus plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square is equal to pi by 2 and we have, in the question he will give like this only. So in that time we have to substitute x is equal to 0. Sir, x is equal to 0, otherwise he will give the 90. So series ఇది చేస్తాం, otherwise ఇవి different series ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, in that time next time we have to substitute x is equal to pi by 2, x is equal to pi. If you are substituting x these values, in that time we will get the different series. This is the method for if the interval is minus pi comma pi.